Hey Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I want to bring you a quick bonus tip of a question on Chief Architect forums this weekend on foundations and corners. Let's get right into it here. I mocked up the example where one wall is set as a foundation and the adjoining wall is not at a 90-degree angle. The question was, how do you show that footing to extend beyond the 90-degree angle wall in Chief Architect? I'm working in Chief Architect Premiere X12 on my MacBook Pro computer. You will notice that without a connecting wall, the footing does extend beyond the end of the wall, as it should. But when Chief recognizes that there's a wall here connecting to the end that is not a footing, it does not extend that footing beyond the connection point and really halfway down the middle of this connecting wall is what it's stopping at. Now, if I were to open this wall and make it a foundation wall, I would continue that footing all the way around the corner. But we don't need, according to the user, we don't need this footing under the main wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this wall. Command B for break on my keyboard. It'd be Control B if you're using a Windows PC. And I'm going to select this wall that does not need a foundation, open it, foundation, and uncheck the foundation wall. I'm going to move this, extend this wall line all the way down to where it lines up with this edge right here, so that that footing continues around the corner and extends beyond the wall as I want it to draw. This is an example of what I just posted over the weekend regarding the Chief Architect mentality. We have the tools. The question is just, how do you use the tools to make it do what you want it to show? Chief Architect is very powerful in that, and I'm not here to argue against or defend Chief Architect, but I remember being new in Chief Architect and being frustrated with what we called workarounds. But really, as I've come to see it, it's understanding the tool and knowing how to make the tool do what you want it to do. So I'm going to drag this down here, and as soon as that lines up with this edge of the footing, I'm just going to let it go. And now my footing is shown correctly in plan view, and I would imagine if we take a camera view, it also extends beyond the wall there. I hope that helps. This is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. If you like this video, this bonus, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down there. Thanks so much for watching.